Hi beautiful Noni nations, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl NonoObi. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe below. Of course, turn on your bell notifications to be notified anytime I post a new video. Guys, subscription is free. I don't know what the hell, you watch my video, you don't subscribe. What is your problem? What is your problem? So guys, in today's video actually I am going to be showing you guys something that you guys have been wanting to see for a very long time. That is my skincare plug. I'm sharing with you guys what I use. I'll be sharing with you guys the skincare you need to try. Yes, if you want your skin to glow, if you want your skin to be this shiny and of course looking flawless, you should endeavor or you should try to use this product. So guys, before then, I have something that actually brought me on this video today. I want to be talking about I want to quit YouTube channel. Yes, I want to quit doing YouTube videos because I have my reasons, which are actually very valid, which I'm going to tell you guys towards the end of this video after I finish showing you guys the package I have for you today. So guys, this is from Ali Beauty. This is from Ali Beauty, guys. Yes, neatly packaged. You can see, very fancy package, and this is how the product inside. It's so wow. So on this product, I'm going to explain to you guys actually what this cream does and how they are. And also I have another one here. Actually. So guys, this cream here, it comes in a set. Yes, it comes in a set. That doesn't mean if you don't have money for set, you can try other singly. You're still going to get the exact whatever thing you want to get, whatever result you want to get, whatever flawless result you want to get, you will still achieve it. But it comes in a set actually, and you can use my code J2020 to get 10% discount on this order. Also, I'm going to leave a link down in my description. You can also go through the website and use the link in my description and also make your order and also apply with the code again J2020 to get 10% discount. Yay! Okay guys, so here I actually have here, for those you can see it here, this is for people who want to maintain their ebony color, their chocolate caramel color. This is just for you. Yes, this is for you if you want that glowy shiny caramel color. You should give this one a try out. Yes, it comes in a set, the cream, the face cream, the oil, and also the soap, also the facial and the body soap, 2-in-1, right? So this is very good to try. Remember I said you can use the discount code J2020 to get 10% discount from your order if you want to use the link in my description or if you want to order in person. Any which of the ways. Yes. You can also send me a message here if you want to order. We deliver all over the world, so don't even be don't be skeptic because of where you are or something. We deliver all over the world. You can also use the website as well. So guys, here is for people who want to be snow white, like you want to be fair, you want to be very fair and flawless. This product here is for you guys. This product here is for you, but I assure you that there is no chemical thing here. You're going to use this cream and gradually this particular one gradually brightens your skin. Gradually you get the results you want. And it has body cream. It has different things inside: body cream, body oil, body scrub. This is the body scrub. This is the soap, and also this is the soap, and also this is the face cream. So this is actually a full package set. Yes, this is full package set. If you want to get that flawless light skin, this will give you that result, but you need to use it consistently. Gradually this gives you that result. But if you want to boom overnight to become very white, then you try this product. This is the Sublime Star. This is the super active fairness, that you can be fair. Twinkle like this, you'll be fair. This is it. So this is the one you can use for that, to make you fair. Twinkle of an eye, you'll become very fair. So this is the product for you, and also this is the soap for you as well. And guys, something here, this particular product here, helps to remove your dark knuckles and your spots. Yes, don't look at me, I don't have a dark knuckle. I am fair, I don't have a dark knuckle. But in case you want to change your color, this is actually good for you. After you have ordered this product, please try to order this one as well. Dark spot remover, face and body. Try to order it. It's for dark knuckles as well. It will help to brighten up your dark knuckles. So with that being said, last here but not the least is hair products. We have the conditioner here, we have the hair mask here, and also we have the hair oil here, and we have the shampoo here. Guys, these products are so good. My daughter is using this product. It's very nice. The hair mask, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the hair oil. Of course, it's giving, you know what I use, it's giving. So before I give you this plug, just know it's giving. So guys, this is practically what I have to show you guys for today concerning this product here. Don't forget to use my discount code J2020, and also I'm going to leave link in the description. You can order through that link. Also apply the code J2020. So with that being said, let's go back to what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to say that I want to quit YouTube. That is because I don't enjoy that is not because I don't enjoy what I'm doing anymore. I told you guys, YouTube is what I love doing. I enjoy doing it. Nobody asked me to start YouTube. I just started it because I love to teach people. I love to show people actually things that I feel that, you know, I love to share. Yes, I'm not this type that you ask what am I using. I don't want to tell you what I'm using because I want to be finer than you. I don't do like that. I like to share everything I know that is good. I like to tell people, why don't you try it? Why don't you try it? So YouTube channel is somewhere if you're not a person that loves to share, I don't know, you can do it, but I don't know, but that is just you, okay? It's not still bad, that is you. So with that being said, I love doing it, right? But this time around it's so affecting my I don't know what to say, like with the kids and being consistent. If you check my last video, it's been long I posted on this channel. Yeah, though I am, you know, I am nursing another channel which I just started newly, but even as at that, it's not the same time I filmed the video of that one, I'll film the video of this one, but still I'm still not consistent with this particular channel. I don't know, I just feel I need to go off YouTube for a while and just come back rejuvenated, and come back set a goal, and come back have my plan or my time plan on how things are going to work. But if something changes in between, I might still go ahead, but if not, I just need to take a break on this channel. Actually, on this particular channel, maybe taking a break, I could say maybe once in a month I post a video, or once in 2 weeks, or once in 3 weeks I post a video. I just don't know, I just feel a little bit overwhelmed doing things with the kids, doing other things, and also setting up camera to video on this channel. I just feel a little bit overwhelmed, you know. I'm still doing it at all just because I have passion. I have passion, yes, in doing this. That is even the reason why I'm still doing it at all. I'm very sure if I didn't have passion in doing this, I'm very sure I would have stopped doing it a long time ago. That is why I keep telling people, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, make sure it's something you love doing. At first, you should love doing it, then money comes second. Yes, everybody want to make money, yes, including me. I want to make money, right? But if YouTube is not something you love to do, if creating content is not something you love doing, I can't overemphasize this. If it's not something you love doing, just forget about starting up a YouTube channel, because on the long run you're going to get frustrated. There are sometimes growth is very slow. When I mean growth is very slow, I mean it's very sluggish, like a snail. You know how the tortoise walk, you know how the snail is. That is how sometimes growth is very slow like that. And if your vision is just to, you know, do this, grab this, get along the line, you just fall out. So that is just basically it. If something comes in between and plans changes, well, beautiful. If not, maybe I just have to quit YouTube for now, or post a video once in 2 weeks or once in 1 month. I don't just know, but let's see how it goes. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video, because sharing this video is free, subscription is free, liking this video is free. Come on, all these things are free. But people will watch and they still not like, they will still not subscribe, they will still not share. I just don't know. Seriously, I don't know what is wrong with them. I don't know, but I'm not in the place to say what is wrong with them. Maybe, I don't know. So guys, remember to use my discount code J2020 on these products that I showed you, and also I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to go to the website and also order with J2020 to get your 10% discount on this product, and I'll be waiting for you to give me reviews on it. Come here, give me reviews, tag me and stuff like that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.